I just got it in the studio just a few minutes ago. It looks like Katori sent me like the whole set of knives. So we're gonna break these open and bring you in close, take a look at them. Come on in close. Okay guys, so as you can see, the knife packaging is always good. Always beautiful. Every set I've ever had on the show, including Katori. Gorgeous. This knife here, it weighs well. The packaging is good. Let's take a closer look at it. Be sure to be careful pulling out these knives. They're brand new, they're sharp. And if this set is good, we are definitely keeping it for the studio. So take off the little protectors so we can give it a look. Check out its quality. And there you go, cleaver style right there. Beautiful Katori, well made. As you can see, full tang right there. I never work with knives that don't, well, I try not to, that don't go through the handle. So check it out. Let's give this a try and see how it is. By the way, it feels great in my hand. It's got a good weight, and that's what a knife needs to be. All right, guys, so we're gonna go through each and every knife, tell you what they are, the whole set. Beautiful, affordable. If you're looking for a set, this works out nice, then you can jump on it. But first, you got a cleaver, another one, like you ain't got enough, right? Gorgeous, weighs good in my hand, and definitely can crack through Thanksgiving turkey, right through the bones. Love these. Okay, now this is just a sword. Literally, I'm calling it a sword. Look how long that is. I think I'm gonna save that for the pineapple at the end of the video. But this definitely, it's huge. It's probably the biggest I've ever been sent. Then you got your bread knife. Great for cutting tomatoes. You slice thin. It's got a good grip onto the tomato as it's cutting it. I always use it for tomatoes. The other one I showed you, the other cleaver, they both weigh heavy. Good in your hand. This one is Tammy's favorite. It's called a Santoku, and it's really light, ironically, as opposed to the other one. It's heavy, but looks gorgeous. Then you got the chef knife that I'm used to, and then over here, this one over here, I believe it's a fish knife. Not sure. You can crack right through a fish, all the fish bones and everything. I believe it's a fish knife. If I'm not right, tell me in the comments. This one, this is your paring knife. It's got to be beautiful. Every set needs a paring knife. Let's check it out. All right, so we're going to use the bread knife right now. And once again, always slices tomatoes thin. It's absolutely amazing. It's slicing like butter. And I say that a lot because knives cut through, a good knife cuts through like butter. So once again, try a bread. If you got a bread knife at home, try it. But the Katori bread knife is doing a great job. Now let's go to the celery. We're gonna chop through. I'm gonna use the Santoku. Once again, it's going through so simple, just like butter. Look at that. I can't go fast enough. It's gorgeous. And by the way, don't forget those little divots on the side. People want to know why they're there. It's so like if you're cutting cheese, it doesn't suction to the side of the knife. It releases it. Comes off real easy. So that's what those little divots are for. Let's get the bottom real quick. There we go. Cut that nasty part off. Look how straight and clean. Look at that. Beautiful. Gorgeous. All right. Let's try one of these cleavers. Look. Just pop, pop, pop. Goes through beautifully. Unbelievable. Okay. Here it is. Whoosh. Look at that. That's absolutely gorgeous. It went through like butter. Literally, a good knife should slice right through, and it did it flawlessly. I'm definitely keeping Katori on the show, in the studio, and you'll be seeing a lot more of this knife set. Every episode, I'm happy to introduce it to the studio. There you go. Take care.